At the picnic, there were 24 children more than adults. There were 15 ladies, which was 25% of the number of children. What percentage of the picnickers were adults? So from the very first statement here, what we can do is to draw a model to visualize the number of people. So children and adults. So for children, there were more by 24. And for adults, it's just one box like this. Okay, now out of the adults, 15 ladies were present, which was 25% of the number of children. Now what we can do to make it easier is to change the percentage into a fraction, because when we do that, we are able to understand that this 25% is 1/4, which means the number of ladies was 1 unit and the number of children 4 units. Okay, so this 1 unit belongs to the ladies and there's 4 units belongs to the children. Okay, so all we can do is go back to our model and label this as 4 units. And for the adults, there's ladies and there's gentlemen. So ladies will make up 1 unit. So I'm just going to put here as 15 ladies, and this represents 1 unit. Okay, if you trace upwards, this is 15 as well. Alright, so if this is the ladies, L for ladies, then this would be the gentlemen. Okay, so the question wants you to find how many adults were there, question mark. Alright, so what we can do now is to find, now that we have 1 unit, is to find 4 units, which is the number of children. Once we find 4 units, right, we are able to take that minus 15 minus 24 to find this question mark over here. Or alternatively, we find the value of 4 units and we just minus 24 to get the number of adults. Alright, so 1 unit is equivalent to 15 people, and then we find 4 units, 15 multiplied by 4, which is 60. And subsequently, right, we can find the number of adults, which is this box here, by taking 60 minus 24. Alright, so this will give you an answer of 36 adults. But then they don't really want the number of adults, they want the percentage of adults. So what is the total number of people? Adults plus children. This will give you 96. Percentage adults. Okay, percentage adults will just be the adults over total number of people times by 100%. So the adults in this case will be a 36 over 96 times 100%. (36) divided by 96 times 100, and that will give us an answer of 37.5%. Final answer for this question.